And our team coverage continues this afternoon as our area gets prepared for the storm. JEA says high winds will cause most of the damage, and crews are prepped and ready to take action in this incoming storm. So on your side, Tristan Hardy. He joins us from Memorial Park with more on how JEA is preparing to keep people safe.
Absolutely, and our weather team is anticipating winds faster than 45 miles per hour, and a couple of areas that could be impacted include San Marco and Riverside. We're here in Memorial Park. It's windy, and as you can see right behind me, the St. Johns River is splashing up against the value trades. While crews are prepped for this storm, some people are not taking this storm lightly. JEA water and electric crews are packed with supplies and ready to tackle what this storm could bring. Down trees, power lines, and outages.
Safety is our #1 priority. So our crews work as quickly and safely as possible to restore power.
Even though Tuesday's storm isn't a hurricane, Julio Gonzalez knows all too well how hectic the weather can get.
It's something that can come off as a look, can turn in a blink of an eye.
Just look at what's left of the balustrades at Memorial Park. It's Gonzalez's daily reminder to prioritize his safety while he's working.
Never think too small, never assume too big, always be on point and be safe.
While he's racing to finish the job before the storm arrives, JEA is anticipating high winds to be the catalyst behind the damages. Gonzalez can't stress it enough.
Safety, 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 safety. And the water's becoming real choppy. So by that are signs of we don't know what to expect.
Now, best believe we'll keep you on air. We'll keep you posted on air and online with the latest with the storm. Make sure you have that First Coast News app ready to go on your phone. And if there's an outage in your area, you can go to jea.com/outage for the latest. We're live in Memorial Park. I'm Tristan Hardy, First Coast News on your side.